Welcome to my channel. I'm Zhang Jinxu. Let's talk about the problem 65 in chapter 2. In this one, let's draw a picture, see what happens. At first, we can see this is a free fall body. They tell us a rope, a stone, is dropped from the initial position, a sea cliff, and then it hits the ocean. We consider this one. The initial point as a reference point position is 0. Initial velocity is 0. Okay, and then it hits the ocean, and then the position we call it y1. And then the stone hits the ocean. It hurt the voice 3.4 seconds. It's hard 3.4 seconds later. So then the time taking. So then from this part is the stone moves to the bottom. And then from this side up is the sound. The speed of the sound moves up. Do you agree? Yes. The speed of the sound is 340 meters per second. And there we must take care because the velocity of sound moves up. There we choose the pointing down as positive. So move up is negative. Agree? Yes. And then ask you how high is the cliff. That means ask you the y1. So in this one, we can consider this motion as two parts. First part, free fall body. The second part moves at a constant velocity, right? So in this one, we can write the equation. The y1 is y0 plus v0 t1 plus 1/2 g t1 squared. Do you agree? This is part 1, free fall body. And the part 2, this part, it comes back to y2. So y2 equal to y1 plus v1 times the t2. There v1 is the speed of the sound. And also we know t1 plus t2 is 3.4 seconds. Now if we input the known quantities, there the y0 is 0. Initial velocity is 0. So y1 is 1/2 gt1 squared. And there the y2 is 0. So y2 is 0. And we put it there. And t1 plus t2 is 3.4 seconds. So we can write it as, so you can say this one is y1 1/2. So this one is y1 1/2 gt1 squared. This term v1 times t2 is v1. T2 is 3.4 minus T1, agree? So then we get this equation. We can solve the equation by input all the known quantities. V1 is negative 340 meters per second. And then in this one, we need to solve this equation to find the T1. After we solve it, we find T1 is 3.25 seconds. So that means at the part 1 free fall body part, T1 is 3.25 seconds, so we can find the y1 1/2 gt1 squared. Then we input the numbers 51.8 meters. Thank you.